Hey there, I'm Alex from Creators Lab, and I'm about to show you an incredibly simple way to transform your long videos into perfect social clips. We are turning long-form footage into ready-to-post square and vertical clips, but with a major automation twist thanks to Vizard. This AI tool basically automates all those boring, tedious parts of repurposing content so you can get back to the creative heavy lifting. If you're used to opening up Final Cut or Compressor and manually setting up crops and exports, this next part will feel like a tiny miracle. Let's set the scenario. I have a folder of UHD clips from a recent shoot, some interviews, B-roll, and a few funny outtakes. My goal is to get 5 perfect square clips for Instagram and a few vertical ones specifically for TikTok. Normally, this means dragging everything into a timeline, creating sequences for every aspect ratio, and constantly keyframing those annoying crops. Instead, I just upload the raw source video straight into Vizard, and within minutes I get these smart frame clips hitting the exact moments that matter. First things first, the upload process is dead simple. I just drag my entire folder right into Vizard's clean dashboard. You can batch upload multiple source files all at once, saving you that initial step of organizing everything beforehand. The UI shows you clear thumbnails, the duration, and basic metadata, which is a nice touch while you wait. While that's importing, let me explain what Vizard is doing under the hood so you don't panic when it starts intelligently chopping your footage. The AI engine constantly scans the video, looking for deep engagement signals, not just random cuts. It actively detects things like spikes in audio energy, perhaps a sudden laugh, or even an excited shout. It also prioritizes on-screen motion, strong facial expressions, and even subtle speech transients to find the most interesting parts. In plain English, the system is designed to find the exact segments people actually want to stop scrolling and watch. Once the files are fully processed, I click the Auto Edit button, and this is where the real magic starts to differ from traditional tools. Apps like Compressor are powerful, but they fundamentally assume you have the time to micromanage every single clip manually. Vizard's Auto Edit Viral Clips feature scans the entire video and proposes multiple short clips optimized for virality. It delivers suggested clips with various lengths, preliminary caption ideas, and aspect ratio specific crops right away. Crucially, it also assigns a confidence score to each proposed clip, so you can easily prioritize which ones deserve your immediate attention. Now, focusing on the square outputs, I select the top 5 suggested clips that look promising for Instagram. Every clip comes with the default 1:1 crop that smartly centers itself on the human faces or the most important action happening. It avoids that common issue where a simple center crop cuts off half of your subject's body or head. If the automatic framing needs a small tweak, like shifting the box slightly right because the speaker is off-center, you can just drag it. The best part is that Vizard applies smart scaling once you adjust the crop, ensuring you never lose image quality. That feature is huge because it stops your video from immediately looking grainy when you zoom in for that tight social shot. One feature I absolutely rely on is the ability to apply the exact same visual style to multiple clips simultaneously. If I like a specific look, maybe a subtle zoom, a slight color boost, and that perfect centered crop, I just copy that style. Then I select the other 4 clips in my batch and paste that exact styling over them instantly. Boom! You have consistent branding across every single output without repeating the same manual tweak 5 times. Compare that to Compressor, where you're duplicating settings or painstakingly messing with presets one by one. Vizard's Batch Apply feature honestly saves what feels like literal hours when you're in a high-volume content cycle. Okay, let's quickly move over to generating the vertical 9:16 clips needed for stories and reels. I simply switch the target aspect ratio, and Vizard immediately reevaluates the original source footage. It often proposes slightly different segments for the vertical format, because what works as a tight square moment might not translate well to a vertical swipe. That's another subtle advantage. The AI optimizes clip selection uniquely per platform, instead of just force-fitting one edit everywhere. Once I'm satisfied with my final clip selection, I jump over to tweak the auto-generated captions and subtitles. Vizard does an incredibly accurate auto-transcription and time-stamping right out of the box. It gives me a simple one-click option to fully style these captions. Pick the font, position, background box, and color palette. This is a small detail that has a huge impact because crisp, readable captions dramatically increase view completion rates when people watch on mute. Exporting the finished content is streamlined. You just choose your final destination. You can export files directly to your desktop, push them to various cloud storage services, or even send them straight to a connected social account. But here is where Vizard truly beats many competitors in day-to-day workflow: the auto-schedule feature. You don't have to download every clip and then manually upload them at the optimal time later on. You set a posting frequency, maybe 3 posts every week, and Vizard queues and publishes them according to that schedule. It will even suggest optimal posting times based on when your specific audience is most active online, which is a huge advantage. Compare that workflow to using Premiere plus a separate third-party scheduler. You just dropped 3 different apps and a ton of repetitive setup. For those of you managing a content calendar for an entire team, the Content Calendar feature is genuinely where Vizard shines brightest. It gives you a clear timeline view displaying every piece of content, its current published status, the target platform, and space for notes. Need to move a clip that was set for Thursday over to Saturday? That's a simple drag and drop operation. Want to quickly swap out caption variations for A/B testing? Just hit Edit, and it updates the scheduled post everywhere. This level of centralization is a total game changer if you're running multi-platform campaigns or collaborating with multiple creators. Now, let me be completely real with you for a second. Vizard isn't meant to replace Photoshop or Premiere for granular editing. If you need frame-by-frame editorial control, complex visual composites, or custom audio mixing, those high-end pro tools are still the undisputed winners. However, for creators and social managers who simply need consistent, high-performing short clips from long videos without the manual grind, Vizard wins. It is designed to be faster, less expensive in terms of time, and significantly less annoying than the old way. Think of it as highly targeted automation, not a complete replacement for your high-end editing suite. Here are a couple of quick pro tips based on my own experience using this system regularly. Tip 1. Always let the AI perform its first pass, but then follow it up with a quick human review to catch context the AI missed. You might catch some specific niche humor or context that only a person familiar with the source material will recognize. Tip 2. Make heavy use of that batch-style copy function to ensure your entire series of clips has perfectly consistent branding. Tip 3. Trust the automatic caption generator because the speech recognition is very good, but always skim it for industry names or slang that might trip it up. Also, if you are weighing up costs, remember, Adobe Premiere is subscription heavy and built for large studio workflows. Compressor is a fantastic Apple native tool, but it heavily relies on you setting up all the manual distribution presets yourself. Other AI editors exist, but they often miss the true pacing of a moment or produce clips that feel unnervingly robotic. Vizard really hits that perfect middle ground, automating the most tedious tasks while keeping you firmly in control of the creative output. Let me walk you through a quick example using my 5 square clips to solidify this process. I select the very first clip and open up the preview window to scrub through the timeline. The AI has already suggested 022 to 035 as a key viral moment because it detected that big laugh and a camera push. I switch the aspect to 1:1. I accept the suggested crop and then nudge it just a touch to the right for perfect composition. Then, as we discussed, I copy that style right away and paste it onto the next clip instantly. For the third clip, the AI actually suggested a completely different segment that performs much better for the vertical aspect ratio. I accept that new vertical suggestion and immediately tell the scheduler to queue it up for Friday at 6 p.m. That is often considered prime scroll time for a lot of major platforms, maximizing potential reach. For the fourth clip, I add a short, punchy subtitle line right at the start. You won't believe this part. Vizard automatically suggests a thumbnail frame that maximizes that expressive face time, which is exactly what I want. When everything is queued up and looks perfect, I simply hit Publish or choose Save as Draft if I'm not ready for prime time. If you prefer a full batch export to your local desktop storage, that's still just one single click. Vizard renders all the optimized files for each platform format, so you never have to fiddle with bitrate or codec settings. So yeah, in less time than it normally takes just to set up 5 sequences in a traditional editor, I have clips ready to go across all formats. The captions are in place, and the entire posting schedule is already set, all automated. If you are pumped to save serious time and ramp up your posting consistency without sacrificing creative control, Vizard is absolutely worth checking out. I can even drop a sample workflow tailored specifically for your content type, whether it's long interviews, tutorials, or podcasts. We can show you how to preset styles so the AI immediately generates clips that already match your established aesthetic. Hit me up and I'll personally help you create a starter template you can plug into your very next long-form upload. All right, that's the full breakdown for today. Now go out there and focus on making great content, not bogged down in the admin.